Children, we read minerals that iron is essential for the formation of the hemoglobin in blood. Iodine is responsible for the proper metabolism, that is for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. Calcium and phosphorus is needed for the proper bones and teeth. ठीक है, but now we are learning if we do not take minerals properly, means how we cannot take minerals properly. Do we think that I am eating calcium, I am eating iron, or I am eating iodine in our food? That if I am eating a food, so we are rarely we say that I am eating calcium, I am eating phosphorus, or I am eating iron. No, we don't say. But we should take the food items which are very richly abundant in this minerals. What are they? They are these minerals are present in green leafy vegetables, milk, fruits, okay, rice, dal, sprouts. All these items we should eat every day. Whenever our at home vegetables, green vegetables are cooked, like lauki, then rich gourd. Then if someone is asking us to eat pumpkin or the brinjal, we just simply say no. If we do not take this, or if we do not like to drink milk, then we are likely to suffer from these deficiencies. So to avoid this deficiency, we should eat plenty of vegetables, milk, curd, milk and milk products, fish, egg. We should eat plenty. Plenty means whenever it is given to us, we should eat, otherwise we will suffer from mineral deficiency. If you are not facing it now, very good, but when you grow older, बड़े हो जाओगे ना, definitely this deficiency will occur. So change your eating habit, खाने का तरीका बदलो और eat lots of whatever food is given to you. Now what happens in calcium deficiency? The requirement of calcium is much more in growing children and pregnant and lactating mothers. Pregnant means जिनके बेबी होने वाला है, lactating means जिनके बेबी हो चुके हैं, just बेबी हुआ है, उनके छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, 3 months 6 months के बच्चे हैं. They should eat plenty of calcium, and you are coming in the category of growing children, so you should take a lot of calcium. Next is, it is important for bone and teeth formation. Due to its deficiency, bones become weak and fragile. What do you mean by the term fragile? Easily broken. It can easily be broken. A large amount of, about 94% of calcium is used for the development of bones and teeth in our body. Blood, muscles, nerve also use it in small quantities. Due to its deficiency in the diet, contraction of heart becomes faulty and crampy. Pain may be felt in various parts of the body. If we do not take calcium properly, then contraction of the heart becomes faulty. So it becomes faulty and crampy, and this cramp means pain may be felt in various parts of the body. In large muscles of the legs, means if we do not take calcium properly, then our legs pain will be there. Okay, tooth decay and general irritability. Tooth decay means दांतों का सड़ना, and चिड़चिड़ापन लगना, and other symptoms of deficiency. So क्या क्या होगा? लार्ज मसल सच एज लेग्स में पेन होना, क्रैम्प्स हो जाना, पैर में अकड़ जाना, पैर अकड़ जाना. फिर फॉल्टी हार्ट बीट. हमारा हार्ट हमारे लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट डूइंग इट प्रॉपरली, वर्क इज़ नॉट डन, देन हमारा बॉडी में पेन होने लगेगा, हार्ट बीट ठीक से होगा नहीं. सो वी शुड take lots and lots means whatever is required. Means if our parents are giving us 2 glasses of milk every day, so we should drink it without saying no, I don't want to drink. And if you are given egg in your diet, then you should eat it without saying no. So calcium is very important, otherwise we may suffer from these types of diseases. Bones will become weak, muscles will have cramps means pain, स्पेशली इन द लार्ज मसल्स इन लेग्स. दांत सड़ जाएंगे, जनरल इरिटेबिलिटी, चिड़चिड़ाहट होगी. नेक्स्ट इज फॉस्फोरस डिफिशियंसी. फॉस्फोरस along with the calcium is needed for the proper development of the nerve cell, bones and teeth. Bone, nerve and teeth. It is essential for digestion of carbohydrate and fat. ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉस्फोरस. लॉस ऑफ वेट, रिटार्डेड ग्रोथ, जनरल वीकनेस ड्यू टू फॉस्फोरस डिफिशियंसी. शरीर में वेट कम हो जाएगा, ग्रोथ नहीं होगा एंड जनरल वीकनेस, हमेशा कमजोरी महसूस होगा इन फॉस्फोरस डेफिशिएंसी. नेक्स्ट इज आयरन डेफिशिएंसी. आयरन इज एन एसेंशियल एलिमेंट फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन ऑफ रेड ब्लड सेल, RBC. Red blood cell of RBC contains hemoglobin and it plays an important role in the transport of oxygen. An inadequate intake of iron leads to a condition known as anemia. Means if we do not take iron, then we will lead to a problem, anemia, because oxygen transport will not take place. Why? Because when an anemic person is there, anemic person looks pale and weak. Why? Because anemia, due to anemia and lesser hemoglobin, a person is unable to take oxygen with it, and if no oxygen, then energy will not be formed. If energy will not be formed, हमारे बॉडी में अगर एनर्जी नहीं रहेगा, if we do not feel energetic, then obviously we show fatigue. Fatigue means थकावट. Fatigue means थकावट, tired, we feel tired. Loss of appetite. Appetite means खाना, भूख लगना, hungry, to feel hungry. An anemic person is always pale, एकदम चेहरा एकदम सफ़ेद और पीला पड़ा हुआ. Weak, tired, लॉस ऑफ हंगर, वाइटनिंग ऑफ नेल्स, नाखून एकदम सफ़ेद पड़ जाएंगे, नाखून में जो लाली है ना, रेडनेस है ना, वो सफ़ेद पड़ जाएंगे. एंड दे लीड्स टू द एंड स्वेलिंग ऑफ द लेग्स एंड फीट. पैर और हाथ जो है वो, हैंड्स एंड फीट जो है वो स्वेल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द आयरन डेफिशिएंसी. What leads to the iron deficiency? It's prominent in the, I will explain you in the next video about it regarding the iron deficiency. Now calcium, phosphorus and iron you have read. Next we will learn iodine deficiency.